Hello dear बच्चों, again I am with you with the class 8th topic compound interest. Now we are going to calculate the compound interest when conversion period is quarterly. That means whole year is divided into 4 parts. Each part is having 3 months. Okay, so whenever the interest is calculated quarterly, और you can say that the conversion period मतलब जो time period है आपका वो quarterly है, तो at that case how the calculation of rate of interest can be done. So in this case, as it is the quarterly, so after every 3 months the principal will change. Okay, so that is the reason the calculation technique or the way of calculation will little change. So let us do it with the formula. These questions can be solved with the help of the simple interest formula also, but they will become quite lengthy. So it's better to understand the formula, so calculation time will reduce. So here let's say R is the rate of interest per annum and time is the T is the time. Okay, so the new time will be multiplied by 4 with the previous time, right? So the previous time will be multiplied by 4 times, so time will be changed and time will be 4 times. The new rate will be divided by 4. Okay, so the new rate will be 1/4 of the previous rate. So this is the basic change which will occur. So now what will be the formula for amount will happen? P 1 plus, in place of R, what will come? R upon 4 into 100. As this 4 is in the denominator, so here in the fraction this 4 will come in the denominator and multiplied with 100. And the time will be 4t. So when the quarterly you are calculating the interest or compound interest, so the formula will become 1 upon 4 r upon 1 plus r upon 400 to the power 4t. Right, now we are going to see how it is going to apply in the questions. So when you go through the question, it will be better understandable. Okay, so the question says find the compound interest. What I need to find out? Compound interest. The very first, always write what we need to find out. We need to find out the compound interest. Anuj got from a company on his fixed deposit of rupees 8,000. He has got a loan of rupees 8,000. So what is the principal here? Rupees 8,000. After 9 months at 20% per annum if the interest is payable quarterly. That means time is 9 months. Right? So change this 9 months into year. So it will become 9 upon 12. That will be 3/4 years. Okay? And what the rate of interest is given? That is 20%. Clear? As the interest is payable quarterly. As interest is payable quarterly. Right? So you have to calculate the new time. The new time will be multiplied with the previous time 4 times. The 4 multiplied with the previous time, that was 3/4. So you will get 3 years. Right? And the new rate, what will be the new rate? 20 upon 4, that is 5%. Understood? So in this way, first of all, calculate it. Now, what is the formula of amount? P 1 plus r upon 100 to the power t. Replace, P will be replaced by 8,000. 1 plus. Now R will be replaced by the new R. That is 5 upon 100. And time will be replaced by the new time. That is 3. Okay. As this is the whole number which is added with the fraction. In the fraction, numerator and denominator are having common factor 5. So both of them will be divisible by 5. So do the cutting. 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are. So what you are going to get? 8,000 inside the bracket 1 plus 1 upon 20 to the power 3. Now take the LCM inside the bracket and 20 plus 1 upon 20 to the power 3. That is going to come 8000 inside the bracket 21 upon 20 to the power 3. Don't find the cube of 21 and 2020. You can open it in the expanded form also. So just open it in the expanded form. Now this 0, and this 0, all three zeros will cut. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So all 2s will also cut. Now what left? 21 into 21 into 21, whose value is 9261. So amount you got rupees 9261. Okay, but we need to calculate the CI. So let us find out the CI. So CI is amount minus principal, right? So what is the CI? 9261 minus 8000. So in this way you have got CI rupees 1261. So I hope now you have understood how to apply the formula when the conversion period is quarterly, or you can say the interest is calculated quarterly. So in this way you can find it out. I hope it is understandable to all of you. By chance, if you are getting any problem in understanding, you can comment me. I will try to reply and try to solve your problem. You can send your problem through the message also. I will try to make the video on that. Till then, keep practicing, keep liking, share with your friends so that with your friends you can do the better practice. If you want to learn any of the subject, learn to discuss that subject. As much as you discuss it, that much you will be able to learn it. Till then, keep practicing, keep liking, keep subscribing. Good luck.